OnStar, how can I help you?
How far to Miami? Shrimp?
Love is like candy on a shelf.
I love off-roading.
Me
You
too.
want to taste and help yourself. The sweetest things are there for you. Help yourself, take a few. That's what I want you to do.